Now, on behalf of the entire Axopar crew, I would like to welcome you to our press event and product release event.
In our 10 years, we've learned something, and we've grown as a company and as a brand. Not through more, but through better. And that's what I would want to say that Axopar's future and commitment for excellence is going to be for the next years to come.
Welcome to Cannes Yachting Festival 2025.
On the Axopar 29, we are launching the BRABUS performance line. We're going to be offering twin Mercury V8 engines of 250 horsepower each, so 500 horsepower in total, which completely transforms that boat into a real performer. Now, even on the 29 CCX, we've created something that is the best of both worlds. So you get the raw driving and user experience of a center console, but now completely combined with the high level of Mediterranean upholstery. We work to make smarter, more personal boating today together with Navico. Everything, as I said, is under one screen. There is no sub-menu, there is only a swipe function or a push-button function. And everything you can conceive to have that you need on board a boat for quick access is now on one screen with a completely new graphical interface. So I'm going today to give you a sneak peek into one of our most ambitious, our most impactful product in Axopar's history ever. This is by far the most modular boat ever built. It's the new Axopar 38 coming out in Düsseldorf 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a sensation of the BRABUS Shadow 1500 Stealth Green Supercharged, the absolute most powerful BRABUS we've ever made. Today with 1,500 horsepower. Thank you.